'Cause that's from Santa.
No, I saw you did this.
No, you didn't see me do that one. Hey, you slowpoke.
Open it.
Go ahead, open it. Here, I'll start it for you. Give me. I'll open it a little bit.
No.
Okay, so leave it for last. All right. That one's your movie. Veronica has her own. Okay, go ahead. Open up the other ones.
Let's go. That's cool.
That's cool. How much you love Mommy, huh?
So much.
And Daddy. Don't forget Daddy.
I love Daddy too.
It's a different one. Wow, Santa must know you love Mario. I gotta give you some medicine, okay? That's the cartoon, AJ. What's that one? Another one? That's 3.
That's 3?
That's 3 movies already. 3 cartoon movies.
No, one more.
That's not Mario.
This one.
No, that's not. No, it's not. Why are you smiling? That's not Mario.
Oh, yes, it is.
It is?
Yes.
All right.
I showed you.
So you know what? That means you got 5 Mario movies. 4 cartoons and 1 movie.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's 4.
And the movie. The other one. Now you gotta open up that one. What is that? Wow, Santa really closed it up tight.
We got it!
Santa got it for you!
The Mario Luigi!
Alright!
Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
Alright!
That was also the rocket!
Not right now. Say good night.
Good night.
Wave to the camera. Look at me. And wave, please. Good night.